Hello, this is Nurse Dadak again. I'm gonna make grilled salmon today. This grilled salmon, I marinated it with ginger juice and lemon. And then I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. Sauce the asparagus. The asparagus is our side dish. I have here a griddler, and I'm gonna use the griddler to cook the salmon. There it goes. 1 and 2 for now. Maybe 3 will accommodate it. And 4. Yep, I did it. And do that. Let it cook at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. This is a 5-in-1 griddler. You can use it for panini, for grilling. So this is a grilled salmon. Okay? I'm gonna be back in about 10 minutes maybe, so we can see how it's cooking. This is the asparagus. You gotta take the end of it because the end is very hard, the stem. I'm just mixing it because I put some salt on it, and I'm gonna sprinkle some olive oil so we can grill it after we grill the salmon. Grill the salmon, sprinkle some. Okay, after we cook the salmon, after that then we can put some olive oil on top of it. Okay, the grilled salmon is cooked. It's all done. Okay, right here, it's cooked. Now I'm gonna grill the asparagus for about 3 minutes. This is our side dish. Remember, I cooked it with, I marinated this with olive oil and lemon juice. Two to 3 minutes, and it's at 375 degrees grilled. Cover so it could grill. Ta-da! Let's go. Let's try this salmon. It's good. Really good. Let me try him. Try that asparagus. It's well seasoned. It's really good. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for me please, and don't forget to share. See you next time. This is Nurse Dadak.